Good evening from the World Center Marriott. We are here today because they invited us out to stay for the weekend to celebrate the mermaid glow parties and to see a few other little treats throughout the weekend. Yeah, you're excited, aren't you?
Oliver is very excited. He can't wait to get in that pool out there.
Yeah.
But also, I think we're going to meet a mermaid at some point this weekend. I think we're going to meet a real life mermaid.
And not just any mermaid, a glow mermaid.
Oh.
Yeah. So the first thing that we have to do, we got to take a tour of this room. So this is a queen standard room. And as we head in, we're greeted by a lot of natural light and some very bright other lights, especially in the bathroom. Let's have a look in the closet first. So we got, sleek looking iron and ironing board right here. And then a safe down low. Luggage rack. What else is on the other side over here? What was that? Look at these robes. Wow, those look very comfortable. That's interesting. So they have these robes in here, and they say every time people get in here and they put these robes on and they fall in love with them, and if you fall in love with this robe, they have some new ones for sale. You just have to talk to housekeeping. Buy a robe. And then when we turn the corner here, now this is the lighting that I was talking about, not the natural lighting, but the lighting here in the bathroom. Look at this. I can put on makeup. I can check my fit. I can see that I spilled some stuff on my shirt earlier. Pay no attention to that. Double sink. Lots of space on the countertop. Little storage underneath for some towels down there. Huge mirror. Huge mirror. Lots and lots of reflective surfaces in here. In here with the toilet and the shower. A good sized shower here with a handheld shower head. That's what we'll be using to give Jackson a shower. And then we've got, what are they called? They're called In Transit from This Works. Shampoo, conditioner, and body gel, shower gel. I like that there's a very subtle wave pattern in the tile there too. Continued through this wave-esque artwork over top of the toilet. And then as we back out of the bathroom, I did also want to point out that there is a door here that blocks off the toilet from the rest. And this is how you lock the door right here. Boop. That way nobody can get in and see you using the toilet. And then we head into the rest of the room. 2 queen beds. I like the lights on either side or in the center there that hang down. This little like reading lights. I wonder if they're individually controllable. They are, look. Little switches right here. So you could turn off your side. Somebody else still might be staying up reading a book or something like that. Lots of USBs back here. And there's also some USBs on the alarm as well as some more outlets on the alarm. What's this switch right here do? What did I do? Oh, okay, that's the accent lighting above the bed that I was able to turn off. A very nice area for you to do some work with the TV. Down here is the coffee maker, single cup coffee maker. I like this lamp. It's cool. Some more USBs over here. Another switch to control the accent lighting here. Got some storage down here. Nice storage here. And then a refrigerator. Stocked with your favorite food and drink. Visit the central pantry on the first floor to pick up some supplies. A nice chair here in the corner with a lamp over top of it, which would be great for nursing. I'm sure Jen will take full advantage of this while we're staying here. Some Pure Life water that is complimentary, but then for $6, you could get the Life Water pH balanced large bottles, an ice bucket, and then this is the part that I think is really, really setting you apart. You got a full balcony here that overlooks the pool. Full balcony, 2 chairs, overlooking the golf course, overlooking, whoa, look at that. You can see the rain. Oh, how cool is that? You can see a rain cell there, a rain cell here. This all is rain over there. See Disney Springs right there. Just past Disney Springs is Magic Kingdom. This is, it's called the Sundial, and I think this is, if you get a job at Disney, this is where you first come for your interview. You can see Spaceship Earth there for Epcot, Swan and Dolphin off in the distance. There's the JW Marriott. What else? I was able to see something else earlier. Oh, Typhoon Lagoon right there. See, that's pretty neat. So we will be able to see Epcot's fireworks and Magic Kingdom's fireworks from our balcony tonight. But looking out at the pool deck, this pool was just fully redone in 2020. It is a 400,000 gallon pool. And we've got some slides over here. There's a little kiddie area back there, like a kiddie pool back there. Jackson loves that little slide. And then, of course, the newest addition, and we've actually been to this water park before, is the water park. We'll put a link down below the like button so that you guys can see what the water park's like, but I have a feeling we're going to be visiting that water park on this trip as well. Another thing we're going to be exploring while we're here is that there are 10 restaurants and lounges on the property. So if you're wondering, for proximity to Disney, 2 miles. 2 miles up the road, like a 2-mile drive, and then you're on Disney property. But also, like, look, we're right across the street from Disney Springs. Right there, you can see the cars moving fast through the trees. That's I-4. Just on the other side of I-4 is Disney Springs. We can literally see the water tower for Disney Springs right there. And that's the Coke store right there about in the center of the frame. Of course, Planet Hollywood right there. And then Cirque du Soleil off to the side. House of Blues, too, you can see. So now that we've seen the room, we wanted to take you on a quick little tour of the hotel so that you know what to expect if you're staying here. When you first walk into the lobby, the check-in desk is on the left. There's actually an actual Starbucks on the right, and also a few restaurants, but the main attraction of the lobby, or the main focal point, are these large glass elevators, which Jackson absolutely loved. All right, bud, you ready? We're gonna go way up in the air. Whoa! Look at us speeding. We're gonna go through the roof, going through the glass ceiling. Whoa! Look at that! Wow.
So they do have regular elevators too that are not like the glass elevators, but we always waited for the glass elevators because Jackson really did love it so much. It's definitely something that's unique to this hotel, and the view is amazing.
And while we were staying here, we actually saw kids just riding the elevator. That's what they would do. They would ride up to the 28th floor and then back down to the first, and then up to the 28th floor and then back down to the first.
So like we mentioned before, there are 10 different restaurants and lounges. And now that we're back on the lobby floor, we can show you where a couple of them are. So they do have an urban Italian kitchen called Ciro. We ate here on our last trip and the pizza and pasta was pretty good. There's also High Velocity, which is like a nicer kind of sports bar. You can get burgers and stuff like that. So you know Tim loved this place.
And off to the right of check-in is the lobby bar, where you can stop off when you first check in to grab a cocktail, or they also serve sushi here. And down on the first floor is the grab-and-go location called Central Pantry. This place had the largest variety of food, with things like sandwiches and snacks and drinks and ice cream. And right outside the door of Central Pantry, the arcade, which Jackson also loved.
So as we were exploring the hotel, we were walking around kind of the back side of the hotel so you could see there's a ton of rooms. I think there's like over 2,000 rooms, and a lot of them have a really great view of the pool, like our room did. There's also lots of seating by the pool, which is great. Also, while we were exploring, we found the pro shop because this hotel is located on a golf course called Hawks Landing. So that's just another activity you can look into if you're staying at the Marriott. There's also a running trail next to the golf club.
As we were heading back into the hotel, we found this sign that showed off that there are poolside fireworks for certain holidays. And we found out that there is a departure board for MCO so you can check your flight status. And next on our tour, they gave us a preview of the Spookeasy, which is a spooky speakeasy. So because this is a speakeasy, it is hidden behind a secret door. And when you first walk in, you'll notice some spooky decor and some things you may recognize from popular horror movies. And during the Spookeasy, they will also have themed food and drinks, such as these syringe shots and some severed fingered cupcakes, as well as some eerie sugar cookies and some really fun eyeball cake balls. And during private events, they have a secret tasting room where they do high-end liquor tastings. Got some spooky delights, a poison apple, and then The Last of Us. Almost looks like brains on top. So after we checked out our room, they actually had us down here for like a private event function on the pool deck. So if you are interested in doing private events, they have the space for it.
It's actually really nice too because you're looking over the pool and there's a beautiful sunset behind us. And the food was actually pretty good. It was from their catering menu. It was pretty delicious.
Yeah, and we're watching Rise of the Guardians over top of the pool.
Yeah, you can sit in the pool and watch a movie.
Pretty cool. That's the music that you're hearing right now.
And they even made us like mocktails.
Yeah, some dragon fruit, something or other.
Yeah, it was very good. It's like a little slushy.
So although this food isn't from a restaurant here, it is from their catering menu. So if you do decide to have a private event or a wedding or anything like that here, it's kind of an idea of what the food looks like. This is a grilled chicken tenders, Cajun chicken tenders, some fried chicken tenders. They have a whole pasta setup, some pasta primavera over here, some chicken alfredo, and then short rib pasta. They have a carving station set up. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Ooh. This is an herb roasted tenderloin with green peppercorn demi-glaze. Some assorted rolls and things like that. The demi-glaze. Stone ground mustard and horseradish crema. An apple cider brined turkey breast. Wow, it's an entire turkey. Some natural gravy, and some traditional stuffing. Some cranberry relish as well. It's like an entire Thanksgiving meal right here. Came back up to the room for a quick second just to look at this sunset. Ooh, buddy. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, look at that over there. Wow. That looks like a painting. I just noticed you can see Fun Spot from here too. Ooh. What a beautiful, beautiful night. I've always said this. Days where it's a rainstorm produce the most beautiful sunsets. It is so fantastic. Still a little bit of rain over there. Never actually rained here at the hotel. But I wanted to point out this is where we were having our little dinner gathering. Over top of the pool, you can see the movies. I can actually sit up here and watch the movie that's out at the pool from the balcony. Ooh, that's so nice. All right, it was actually pouring during dinner, but now that we're done with dinner, it's time for us to go downstairs to the pool for the mermaid glow party. The whole reason we're here, the mermaid glow party. I'm very excited. We get to meet a mermaid. She's gonna be glowing. Should be fantastic.
Jackson's very excited. He's never seen a mermaid in real life.
I'm very excited. Yeah. I've seen plenty of mermaids in real life, but I'm still excited.
Not a glowing one.
It's true. Look at you, you're ready to glow.
Give yourself a hand.
I'm telling you, buddy, I don't know where you get it from though. Like where you get your fashion sense from.
Do you want to put your glow ring on?
Heck yeah.
So they did give us a fun private meet and greet with the mermaids. Jackson was having a ball. He was really having a good time showing the mermaids his cool glow accessories, and I think he was just in awe of being near some actual mermaids. That was a pretty core memory for him. And after our meet and greet, as the sun was going down, the mermaids actually got in the pool and swam near the guests. So they were flapping their tails. They got in, they did their little mermaid swim. It was really neat. It was a really cool experience, especially for all the kids in the pool. They were all very excited. Then the mermaids swam over to the shallow, the zero entry part of the pool, and they actually took pictures with everybody in the pool. So you could gather around and have your picture taken with a real mermaid before the glow party starts. So the glow party is free to all hotel guests. And if you're staying at the Marriott, you can see the mermaids on select Saturdays through the end of the year.
All right, we just finished with the mermaids. How magical was that? They were glowing and swimming through the water.
And look now, Jackson's glowing.
His entire body is glowing.
He met one mermaid and now he's glowing.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness, it's magic.
That is amazing.
This was honestly really, really fun. Everybody was having such a blast. Look how bright it is. This is like a legit party.
Those kids were
going wild. Oh my god, they were going wild.
The mermaids are just surrounded by kids.
She had so many fans.
Oh.
Yeah, it was really, really exciting for all the kids down there and adults. The adults were loving it too. So as the sun went down, then the glow party started. And this, I think, was my most favorite event of the whole weekend. It was so much fun. They even gave out free glow accessories to the hotel guests. Now it was first come, first serve, but you can just see the pool. Everybody was glowing and dancing. They had a live DJ. I even went up and I saw the DJ booth, and like she was having an awesome time. And even just watching from above, like where the DJ was, and looking down, there was so much good energy. The other thing that I really enjoyed is that this was a great event for families. So there were tons of kids everywhere. It was kids, parents, having an amazing time. Jackson loved it. He stayed up past his bedtime, and it was like 100% worth it. He had the best night ever. This is just fun, right, bud?
Yeah.
How much fun did you have?
I had so much.
You had so much? Me too, buddy. No, it's like way past his bedtime. This was a treat for him.
Yeah.
Bedtime was many hours ago.
Yes.
I know it looks bright in this shot right now, but it's definitely a lot darker than this shot is. Like in
There's
real
like
life.
a very bright light on me right now.
Yeah, there is. It's
from
like
the TV.
But it's definitely late. It's like 9 o'clock?
It's 8:40, 8:50.
8:50.
So,
Good.
in about 10 minutes, there's gonna be a laser light show.
Okay, we are leaving for the evening. The laser light show starts in like 8 minutes, and it's like a straight up rave down here. But it's like a family friendly rave. There are so many children out here. The mermaids are still in the pool. Whoa, there's smoke and everything. Whoa. We're headed back to the room right now. Jackson had a mermazing time. Fantastic, even. Oh yeah, the lasers. The lasers are starting. They have a balloon photo op over here. Oh, here come the lasers. I feel like we're at Coachella or something. Mermaid Coachella. Wow. This is like a real party. I mean, this is like, come here. Yeah. It was such a unique event. I've literally never done anything like this at a hotel ever. So it was very cool. And we did it as a family. So that was awesome. A great way to end the night. I'll also leave a link down below for the Mermaids and Glow parties so that you can check out the information down below if you're interested. Oh, look, everybody's hanging out on their balconies trying to catch a view of the laser light show.
But I do have to admit, being down here, it's a better view down here on the pool deck than it is on the balcony. The only 2 times I've seen it, watched it from the balcony.
Oh yeah.
This is my third time seeing it.
This is amazing. I feel like we're at a concert. We're at a music festival. A mermaid music festival.
Yeah, Mer Festival.
Give yourself a hand. You did great.
And we actually had such a good night at the Mermaid and Glow party that we promptly went back to the room and fell asleep. Because we were worn out from all the swimming, all the dancing, all the like glowing and the mermaiding. And like, it was such a good time. And it was neat to go around and visit places around the hotel that I had never seen before and kind of get a better feel for the entire property. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we show more of our stay. We go into the pool, we go out to the water park, we met an alligator. Super fun. All in all, it was a fantastic day. I wanted to say thank you to the Marriott for having us out. And with that being said, we are off. We'll see y'all tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.